welcome to another video on the channel, and this video is going to be me restoring my old PC, right? And yes, I have on these glasses because tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Yes, it is. So I'm wearing this on. It's funny. I just wanted to wear it on. Anyway, yes, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Unfortunately, I'm not going to do anything. Right. So today we are going to restore all the stuff, and as you all saw in the previous video before I got the motherboard, right? That's this. I am getting the motherboard, and let's go and build it. I already took out the motherboard from the box already, so let's just get into the video, right? Nice. So I already blew out the case and I already wiped the case and blew it out already, so I don't need to do that right now. So just put this aside. Move this over here. Nice. plugged on, everything is there, so now it's just to actually plug it on to start it up to make sure everything works now. So hopefully we did everything correctly, so let's just go with it. So right, I just plugged in everything behind there, so now it's just to turn it on now. So let us do that. For the moment of truth, let's see if it'll come on. Oh, yep, I'm seeing fan is spinning there. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's on. It's working. Oh yes. You know how long I have been waiting for this? It has been so long. And if y'all didn't know, this motherboard ended up dying, and if y'all see where the CPU is supposed to go, some places are bent. Yeah, a lot of places are bent actually. I'm now seeing this. So yeah, that's why this doesn't work anymore. So that's why I got the new one, and that's it there. And we just put it on to, you know, well, it's up and running now, so now I can edit better. Much better, because the laptop I was using was just horrible. Oh my goodness. That is just wonderful. Right, so this is just a closer look of the actual PC itself. Yeah, I know the cable management and stuff is bad, but this PC doesn't have a case, well, a glass case here, so everything is covered, so that's not worrying me so much. But everything seems to be working, so I'm really happy right now. So let us just go and see what else I have to install. Yeah. So this is what the outside of the case looks like. It's a really old case, but it does the job for now. And if y'all didn't know, my theme is blue and black, so I have it. And what I like about this, I can actually dim the lights and put it back on, so that's nice. It's nice. So right guys, I really hope y'all like this little time lapse of me just fixing my computer. Yeah, it's been restored after about a year and something. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. It's really late now. It's about 10:56 in the night. So I'm going to organize this computer and all those things, and I'm going to sleep. And tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so I'm going to, get something for my mom and someone else. Anyway, so again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please follow me on all my social media. It'll be right here on the screen and also in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up. Please share with all your friends and family. It'll be greatly appreciated. I am really trying to grow this channel, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you all have any video suggestions or things you all want me to do, put them in the comment section below. I read all of them. I reply to most of them. Put them down. So thank you again for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next videos, because I have a lot of plans and it's going to be fun. Anyway, good night everybody. See you all next time.